So you can keep your revolution. All this disillusion, oh, it's making me feel ill. And I'm not standing still. Keep your revolution. I've been here before. All this disillusion, oh, it's making me feel ill.
The type of riding on the Central Coast is real touchy because there's not a lot of places to ride. Not much to offer here, which is unfortunate because it leaves a lot of kids not being able to ride because parents and people don't want to get harassed by sheriffs in Cayucas or sheriffs in Paso Robles for going in the riverbed.
Keep your revolution.
The only option really that we have close by is the hill in Cayucas. There's no tracks other than driving an hour and a half to Buellton or 2.5 hours to Tulare or Porterville.
From the grassroots, ain't got the answer. I've got the answer. Dance rap with the flow like a dancer. Gangsters in the crew, there's no chance. I won't take yes for the answer. When shots fly, you be jumping like an Irish dancer. My name's Emo, so class A like Nino. Troublemaker like Reno. Yo, everything seems cloudy. Never been broke in the game cause I'm rowdy. Carry on, I won't take a hammer to your Audi. I'm like a soldier from South.
Because we don't like to stay in the front where people can complain about the noise, so we have brought the riding into the backside where the reservoir was. In the last 5 years, we really started working on jumps up there and building big jumps because the scenery is epic.
One thing you said, most of the hillside actually is privately owned parcels, small lots in the neighborhood of several thousand square feet. There's about 700 privately owned properties up on that hillside.
At the same time, there is nowhere to ride, so they leave it open, and people have been riding there since my parents have lived here.
Sounds too late, we ain't like them, they're stuck in two bites. Ex-boy and the campus, it's a new vibe. Search for a false vibe, but we've got the true vibe. Keep telling them, it ain't worth hating us, cause you're only gonna end up rating us. Sometimes in music, all you need is new vibes. True vibes, light vibes, love vibes.
Like a double standard, you could say, because they're giving us no other option.
We're gonna